Before we dive into the stretches, let's take a moment to understand the psoas muscle. Nestled deep within our body, the psoas connects the lumbar spine to the thigh bone. It's a key player in hip flexion, stability, and maintaining proper posture. Just like any exercise routine, we'll kick things off with a gentle warm-up to get our muscles ready for action. Place your hands on your hips and begin to move them in circular motions. Perform 10 circles in each direction. Dynamic lunge. Step into a lunge position, making sure your front knee aligns with your ankle. Gently sway forward and backward to stimulate the muscles around the hips. Complete 10 repetitions on each side. Effective psoas stretches. Now, let's move on to the star of the show, the psoas stretches. Remember, the key is to embrace the stretch and avoid any sharp pain. Low lunge stretch. Get into a lunge position with your right foot forward. Lower your left knee to the ground and gently push your hips forward while maintaining an upright spine. You'll feel a delightful stretch in the front of your left hip. Hold this stretch for about 30 seconds before switching sides. Kneeling psoas stretch. Start by kneeling on your left knee with your right foot forward. Tuck your pelvis under slightly and shift your weight forward, feeling the stretch in the front of your left hip. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds and then switch sides. Taking it up a notch, advanced psoas stretches. For those seeking a deeper stretch and a bit of a challenge, these advanced stretches might be just what you're looking for. Psoas release with a foam roller. Lie face down with a foam roller placed horizontally beneath your hips. Gently roll back and forth, targeting the psoas area. If you come across a tender spot, pause and let the foam roller work its magic for 20-30 seconds. Psoas stretch with rotation. Lie on your back near the edge of a bed or a firm surface. Let your right leg hang off the edge, allowing it to relax. Draw your left knee toward your chest and gently guide it across your body using your right hand. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds before switching sides. We hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel and support us. Have a nice day.